What's up, folks? It's your boy DT 2.0. Excuse the mess, but I had to get this out before I went on ahead and ripped it open, but I finally got it in. This is the Alienware M17 R4. Just got it in today, shipped straight from China. I ordered it on the 1st, started getting built on the 5th, and here we are on the 16th, and I finally got it, right? After I called, like maybe about 3 days after I ordered, and then they pushed it through. So the specs on this is the i7-1087H 8-core 16 megabyte cache, the 17.3 inch UHD 60 hertz 500 nit 100% Adobe RGB color gamut LED display. So this one has a 4K display, but it's not OLED. So I'll be interested in comparing this with my M15 over there that's looking scared as fuck, because it knows that if this is the shit, it's on its way out, right? Everybody knows who watch my channel knows I have no problem with 60 hertz screen, because I got a big ass TV sitting right there that can do more than 60 hertz anyway, or 60 frames per second anyway. So what I want to do today is just unbox it, let you see how it comes when you order it. Again, direct order it from China, and and then later on I'll do my review. So this is the packing slip. If you can see, maybe you can pause that and see how it is. But it has everything that I custom ordered on here. I really didn't change anything with the setup other than the screen. So this has the GeForce RTX 3070 chip with the 8 gigabytes of a video RAM in it. It did come with a return label, but unless something's wrong with it, I'm not returning it. Right? I had no problem with the M15 R3. I don't expect anything to be different from the M17 R4, but I probably just jinxed my motherfucking self. Anyway, put that to the side. Now, I didn't pull this out of any other box. This is the box that it came in. Right? Really, it's not a box. It's like a piece of paper that's over the actual box. So if you went to go get a M17 or a M15 R3 from Best Buy, and you got the box with the handle on it, under here is the same box. It just had a paper. Now, I was concerned, or paper covering over. Now, I was concerned when I first got it, but knowing that it came all the way from China like this. But after a while, when I opened it up, I saw a whole bunch of padding in there, and the computer looked well protected. And then obviously when I turned it on, nothing was wrong with it, right? So if you have any concerns about shipping, the box looks in pretty decent shape for the most part. Again, it's been all over the world, so it probably got COVID all over this motherfucker. So I'll be sure to wash my hands when I'm done with it, or before I start handling it with it. That was a joke. Nobody take that personal. But what I'm gonna do is just unbox it and then let you see how it goes. If I fuck up, you'll see the camera, the shit clip and all that bullshit. But anyway, here we go. So again, just some glue on this, and oops, I didn't want to tear that. But other than that, this is it. All right. And let's slide this out of here. All right, we got to put some. You know what? It's Christmas time. Fuck it. And there she goes. This is the bottom, right? Because it's a flip up open box. The only thing that's holding it closed is the handle. All right, so here we are. Make sure I'm good. And then I'm going to jammy this thing open. Jammy is an old school term if you guys ain't heard it before. And there she is. You'll probably hear me say this on the video. I'm still pissed off with Alienware about if you get a 4K screen, you cannot get it in the dark side of the moon. What the fuck is up with that, man? Like, come on, right? I would have loved to have this in that fucking dark side of the moon gray, but it is what it is. It is what it is. So it's fairly simple. In this front part piece right here, you'll get the power cord, or the power adapter, wall wart is what we called it in when I was unboxing my music shit, and of course the power cable. And here's the actual computer. Under here, and I'll bring this back in a second. Under here you have the little, welcome card, and it started in 1996, blah, 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 right? And then a whole bunch of shit to connect with them on social media. Here. And I actually didn't even open this on my last, I didn't even do an unboxing on my M15, right? But you have the Alienware little instruction book, some warranty information. And that's about it. So I'm gonna put this shit in here like this and not let my OCD get the best of me. And then toss this junk to the side. All right, so here we are, M17 R4. Obviously, it looks exactly like the M15 R3 or M17 R3 if you got that, so it is what it is. And I will be doing a size comparison in another video or when I do my review, but I just wanted you guys to see how it came. So what I'll do is just open this up and power it up, make sure nothing's wrong with it. And if it is, guess what? Alienware, Dell, you put on blast because you just sent me some fucked up shit. But let's just see. One thing that's weird about these Alienware computers is how it doesn't come with anything in here to protect the screen or anything. It's just fucking, you know, screen and then fucking keyboard. Where with the MSI computers, they have a little layer of paper. Well, the Asus, they had a little layer of paper. With the MSI, it's actually a piece of cloth that you can use for cleaning, or I think you can use for cleaning. But with this, just nothing. So let's see if it has some juice. And we got juice. All right. Now, right off the rip, I can tell it's an LCD screen, right? It's not as dark and it's crisp, but it's not as dark as my M15 R3 OLED when it first comes on. But, you know, for all intents and purposes, it is what it is. I just wanted to make sure. And here we are starting up. The only good thing about me getting the white is it still matches my motherfucking mouse right over here. So it's all good. Because, you know me and my OCD, I got to have the mouse that match. So I would have went on ahead and got rid of that mouse with the M15 R3 and got the dark mouse with the dark side of the moon. And here we are with the start screen. I'm going to mute this motherfucking shit. A little sign. That's all I got for today. Like I said, I'm about to play with it for a few days, maybe even a week before I go ahead and do a review on it. I don't think it's going to be any different than what I've already reviewed with the M15 R3, since it still has a 10th generation Intel chip in it. Since it still has a RAM, it's just a little bit faster. Still has the same killer Wi-Fi card. I think it's just been tweaked a little bit, but for the most part, it's just a bigger screen, and it's an LCD screen instead of an OLED. So will I be satisfied with a 4K LCD? Stay tuned to find out. This is DT 2.0. Thanks for watching. Peace.